Hello everybody! Today we're gonna review the Infinity by Harman Glide 500 wireless on-ear headphones. So, I got this at a price of 1700 from Amazon and I got it in the color black. So all of you would be looking for some good Bluetooth wireless headphones which would be compatible with your devices in the current scenario for online classes, work from home, and maybe for listening to music also. So this is the best budget headphone according to me. You can see that this is foldable and the cushions are soft and you can fold it either ways like this, and this is compact. Also, this is expandable both the sides and it's lightweight, like around 150 grams. So it's very comfortable to wear, and you can see that it is mentioned that this is the left side, this is the right side, and this is the left side. It is mentioned over here if you can see. I don't think it's visible, but yeah, it's mentioned over here that this is the right and that this is the left. So now let's move on to the specifications. Let's keep this aside. You get it in this kind of packaging. I've already unboxed it and used it for quite some time. So you can see Glide 500 wireless headphones, and the cost is 1700 on Amazon when I got it. I have already unboxed this, and you can also register the warranty using the QR code and stuff, and you get a user manual along with it. Now let's keep this aside and let's go on to its features. So as you can see, we are reviewing Infinity Glide 500. The price was 1700 when I got it, and it has Bluetooth 5.0 and it does not support an aux cable. It is wireless only. It does not support wires. Also, Bluetooth 5.0 is compatible with Bluetooth 4, 4.1 and 4.2. You can go check the specification of your phone or laptop online and come to know the version of your Bluetooth and check whether it's compatible with this headphone. And this provides a 20 hours playback, and that's a really good amount of playback for regular online classes and work from home. And the charger which is specified which should be used is 5 volt and 500 amperes. Please do not use any other specification of charger higher than this. Now, the power button, you can press the power button for 10 seconds, it will switch on, and you can connect it with your phone. Like just go to the Bluetooth and tap on Infinity Glide 500, it'll be connected. Also, the power button can be used to pick up and cut the calls. Like when you click the power button once, when you have an incoming call, the call will get connected, and when you click it once, it will get disconnected. Also, there'll be a beep sound when you have an incoming call. And the same power button can be used to pause or play the songs and videos. And when you double tap the power button, Google Assistant or Siri will be activated on your phone. Like if you have enabled Google Assistant or Siri, you can double tap it and give your instructions to headphone also. And now going on to the plus or minus button, that is the volume up or down button. When you click plus button, the volume goes up, and when you click the minus button, the volume goes down. Also, if you hold the plus button for 2 seconds or higher, the track will go to the next track, and minus it will go to the previous track. When you click on both the plus and minus buttons together, it will switch on to the deep bass mode. And when you again click both the buttons together, it will go back to its normal mode. So this is a good budget headphone if you're in need of one. So you can have a look at the specs here. If you like the review, please like, share and subscribe. This is completely a non-sponsored video. It is based on my experience. Thank you.